Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the RAM management and the speed test comparison between the Poco F3 GT versus Realme GT Neo 2 device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers, asking me to compare these both phones regarding the speed test and the RAM management test. Let's see how much difference it's gonna make if you try to use these 15 applications while opening and while doing the RAM management test. That's what I'm going to demonstrate. So right now I did clear everything from the background RAM management, and you can see the external RAM capabilities I did enable in the Realme GT Neo 2. And you can see the availability of the RAM, and 5.1 GB is available out of 8 GB, and 3.70 GB is available in the Realme GT Neo 2 in terms of the RAM availability between these both phones. Now let's start with the basic reboot test between these both devices, and we'll be able to see what is happening with the restart first. 1, 2 and 3. And Dimensity 1200 chipset versus Snapdragon 870 chipset, and 8 GB RAM variant versus the 8 plus 5 GB RAM variant in this Realme GT Neo 2. And Poco F3 GT, from the beginning to till now, the RAM optimization is really very good. Yes, so from the beginning, I'm really shocked to see this kind of level of optimization, to be frank, in this phone. So usually in the MI phones and in the Poco phones, what happens is that the combination of MIUI plus Dimensity processor will be having slightly, MediaTek processor will be having slightly optimization. Same thing even in the past Redmi Note 8, other phones, Helio G processor which is there. Those used to perform really good in terms of the RAM management and optimization. Same thing with the Dimensity MediaTek processor as well. That's what I'm trying to observe in this phone. And let me try to show you exactly what kind of Wi-Fi connection I've connected to. So because both phones should be connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi network, so both are connected to same kind of Wi-Fi network right now. And all the apps should be completely clear from the background, so all the apps are completely cleared. And now you can check the RAM availability, what is there after restarting the both phones. And these are the 15 applications which I'm going to test the demonstration in this kind of video right now. So let's start with the first application, which is a Google Chrome. And let me know in the comment section below how many of you guys will be using how many apps in the background. For example, maybe you might be using 5 apps or maybe 10 apps in the background. So just let me know in the comment section below, because that will help me to choose the speed test comparison based upon the application what you usage. And slightly the Realme GT Neo 2 was able to open faster than the Poco F3 GT in terms of opening speeds. As you can see, slightly kind of faster a little bit. Loading speeds, try to observe the loading speeds. It's slightly faster in the Realme GT Neo 2. And these are the lines which I'm trying to draw and keep them in the background RAM management. Spotify, Instagram and Autopreader. I'm trying to keep this in the background, these numbers. Zoom, speed test. So this is going to be really very intense kind of testing, friends. 15 applications is not a joke, absolutely nothing like that. But right now the Wi-Fi speed completely is taken by the Poco F3 GT itself, I think. So that's the reason I'm not getting the Wi-Fi speeds in this phone. But anyway, so right now the speeds are coming in the Realme GT Neo 2 as well, not bad. So finally, the test results are finished at this moment. You can clearly see here. And next is a music player application. I'll try to keep this music in the background. KineMaster video rendering application. Let's keep this thing in the background as a RAM management itself. Yes. Finally, friends, I did open all the 15 applications, everything from the background. As you can see, all the apps are completely open. Now you'll be able to see exactly. And the RAM availability is about 2.45 GB, and RAM availability is about 5.8 GB. So it increased. So that's kind of not accurate. So don't believe in this RAM management. The MI and the Poco phones, they need to improve a lot in terms of showing us real-time RAM availability. So this RAM not that consistent. So don't rely on those kind of options which are present anyway. So right now let me try to start opening the applications completely from the background. From the first. Let's start with the first application, which is a Google Chrome, right? So we did open in the first. So let's start with that application itself. 1, 2, and let's see which phone will be able to keep this Google Chrome in the background. 1, 2, and 3. Boom. So both phones did keep in the Google Chrome in the background. Next is the Amazon application. 1, 2, and 3. Not bad. So Amazon application also was able to keep in the background. So the RAM management slightly, it's kind of improving little by little the moment you start to use, as you can see. So both phones were able to perform exactly same. Now let me to open from the multitasking. So it's kind of really easy for me. So nothing much loading. Let me to auto rotate off, otherwise it will keep on showing. And Myntra, nothing got reloaded. Spotify also nothing got reloaded. Instagram also not reloaded. Auto reader, Zoom, Speedtest also exactly same. Music player also same. KineMaster video editing also same. As you can see, friends, overall both phones were able to perform really good in terms of the RAM management. Nothing much huge difference in the RAM management using 15 applications. That's pretty good. So both are kind of really very close at this moment. Not bad. As you can see, friends, clearly what is happening. So that's the reason I'm trying to push the limits of the both phones as well, so we get to know what is going on. So this time I did choose 15 applications only, but next time I'll try to come back with the 20 applications, something like that. Then we'll be able to figure out what is happening with the RAM management as well. So finally, friends, these are quick test results, and we got to know the results as well. It's really good to see this kind of RAM management slightly getting improved with the software updates, little bit in the Realme phones. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off, and follow the playlist for more updates. Bye.